If I only had $100 to invest in 2026, I wouldn't try to get rich overnight. I would focus on building smart habits and spreading my money wisely. The goal wouldn't be quick profit, but steady growth over time. Even a small amount can grow if it's invested with discipline. Strategy always beats hype. First, I would put $40 into a broad market ETF that tracks top US companies. This gives instant diversification and lowers risk compared to picking one single stock. It's a simple way to invest in the overall economy. Next, I would invest $30 into one strong growth stock in a sector like technology or artificial intelligence. These industries continue to expand and shape the future. While individual stocks carry more risk, they also offer higher potential returns. I would research carefully before choosing. Smart risk can accelerate growth. Then, I would allocate $20 into Bitcoin or another established cryptocurrency. Crypto is volatile, so I would only invest what I'm comfortable risking. The purpose here is exposure to digital assets without overcommitting. If the market rises, this portion could grow significantly. If it falls, the loss remains controlled. Finally, I would keep $10 in cash to take advantage of market dips or new opportunities. Investing is not about timing perfectly but being prepared. I would hold these investments for at least 1 to 3 years and continue adding money monthly. Consistency builds wealth, not luck. That's how I would invest $100 in 2026.